Hello guys, this is Darius Graphics. So welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get notified anytime I release a video. So I just got this photo from Pinterest. So I'm just trying to guide you on how to sketch this particular photo without directly tracing the photo. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be splitting the picture into two categories. The first category is the negative, which contains the empty space and the background, and also the second category is our positive, which contains the body. So we're going to be using our HB 4B pencil, and also we're going to be keeping a reference of the photo aside. So but make sure you merge the lines, the border, the guidelines, the red and the green guidelines on the reference you're going to be using for your check-in. So all we need to do is look at the reference and look at the lines, the guidelines we made, and also we sketch. So just make sure you're sketching according to the guidelines you've laid out. So make sure when laying out your guidelines, make sure you lay out a guideline that is more easier for you to understand, and also more easier for you to replicate, and also to represent from your reference. So when you're sketching, just make sure you are checking your reference below, and you can measure with your own eyes. You can simply measure the distances between the lines. So you just more like measuring of distances with your eyes, and also tracing the image. Well, while measuring the distances with your eyes, then you continue tracing the image with your 4B pencil. So it mustn't be perfect, because this is our first rough sketch. So we are going to be refining the sketch using a thicker pen or fountain pen or any line art pencil or pen. So it depends on any tool you want to use. So you just keep on and also for you to for it to be more easier for you to learn how to draw freehand. As you can see what I'm doing, the reference is under my sketch. So as I'm drawing offhand, as I'm drawing offhand, I do check the reference so that I don't go outside, or I don't go contrary to the reference. So while drawing, I also check the second reference under as my guideline, and also I do switch on the layer below to check whether the lines I'm drawing are corresponding with the reference. So that's all what you need to do. Just keep on practicing. This technique might improve your observation skill. It can improve the way you look at reference and the way you draw references, and it's going to help you to know the distances between the eyes and the ears, and the distances between the nose and the ears, the distances between the nose the mouth and the nose, the distances between the eyes, and all the parts of the body. So the more you practice with this technique, the more you improve in how you look at references and how you draw references freehand. So just keep on practicing and make sure the lines you're using, the positive and negative lines you're using, make sure are not so they are not too much like mine. They just make sure you just give a little bit guidelines, like just a normal grid that contains 4 to 5 lines, or just 4 lines will be okay. 4 lines will be okay. 3 lines too, depending on your reference. So just make sure you just set the lines on the distances between the eyebrow and the ear, and the distance between the eyes and the ear, or the distance between the nose and the ear. Just make sure you set your lines, your guidelines, set them according to how you want, like how simple you want it to be, so that you can like easily recall the positions of the organs on the face and on the body. So when you when you put your guidelines anyhow, it will be very difficult for you to like recall where the eyes are, where the ears are. So I would advise you like to place the lines where you can detect where your eyes and the nose are, so that you can easily sketch fast, and also you can improve with time, with little amount of time. So we are presently tracing our rough sketch using the fountain pen. So I'm presently doing the line art on a new layer. So I've done couple of tutorials on how to trace images, and also how to paint images, and also have done a complete beginner's tutorial on how to paint, sketch, and render images. So you can just go check it out. So this is just like my own technique on how a beginner may improve a beginner or not, depending on how creative you are, and also how and and also it depends on one's personality. So something may work for me and may not work for you. So it depends on the person that is going to be learning and is going to be using this particular technique. But I think this technique is going to help beginners improve in some ways. Not It mustn't be like grow them like from 0 to 100, but I think it's going to like improve your observation skill. Well, I think that's one of the reason why I like this technique. So I think just try and use this technique and see if it works for you. If it doesn't, I'm still going to be dropping so many interesting videos, so you just keep on waiting, and also just be active, and make sure you click on the subscribe button so that you get notified anytime I release a new video. So now we're done with the line arts. We're just going to be like creating the hair, going to be using the tawny brush for the hair strands and the rest. So using the tawny brush for the hair strands. So that's all about this tutorial video. So I'm going to be dropping so many interesting tutorials on this channel, so just make sure you stay active and also you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you guys. If this techniques works for you, just let me know in the description box, and also you can share with friends. Click on the like button, and also God bless. Just make sure you comment down below if this tutorial was helpful for those people that are interested in freehand. Just try and give it a try. Just try and use this technique and see whether it works for you. So I just hope it works for you though. So I'm going to be dropping so many tutorials. Just keep just be active